Hi everybody, hope you're all doing well. Today I'm going to do a beginning Nyanga lesson, which is the Mozambiquean panpipe orchestra. The Nyanga orchestra has 22 different panpipes, and each person is playing a different part on a different panpipe, and it all comes together in an orchestral form, and it's the same harmonic structure that the mbira music is. There's three core Nyanga parts that are the parts that all the rest of the Nyanga orchestra is built from. And those three parts are the Pagira, the Giriri, and the Kabombo. And so I'm going to show those three parts first and how they integrate. And so you can play it with the triplet rhythm. So you're going to see lots of edits in this video because I have a lot of information to put together. The first part that I'm going to play is called the Pagira. And the Pagira is the starting pipe. It's the pipe that goes one cycle and then all the other pipes come in. So I'm going to play this. I'm going to wear this earpiece here. This has a click track in it, and you'll see why I'm doing that in a minute. Goes like this. You can think of it as being numbered from low to high, is going 1, 2, 3, 4. So the Pagira, the part, it goes 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4 in a triplet rhythm. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. So you can see how the Pagira, you sing on the 3 of the triplet and then play on the 1. You play on the downbeat. So it's like a and 1, and 1, and blow, and blow, and blow, sing blow, sing blow, sing blow. The next part is the Giriri. And this part here, again numbered from 1 to 4, you go 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 4, 1, 2. And this one you sing on the beat and you play on the 2. And it sounds like this. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yo, 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 yo. The next part I'm going to play is the Kabombo, and that's this one right here. And the Kabombo, the pattern is 1, 3, 2, 2, 1, 3, 3, 4. Kabombo, you don't do anything on the downbeat. You sing on the 2 and you play on the 3. That'll sound like this. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yo, 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 yo. Kabombo tends to be the hardest one for people to first pick up, so don't feel bad if it's hard. So you'll see that I'm singing the same melody that I'm playing on the pipes. You don't have to do that. If you're hearing different melodies, you can sing those. The folks that I was learning from they do that. So the singing line becomes another separate independent melody eventually. To start, you can just be singing the same notes that you're going to play. Now let's hear all those together. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, Okay, the next part I'm going to show you is called the Gandamo, and that's this one right here. It's bigger, and the pattern on this, it goes 4 2 4 3 2 4 1 2 2, and you play in the same place that you play on Kabombo, which is you don't do anything on the downbeat, you sing on the 2 and you play on the 3. In that pattern, it sounds like this. Yes, 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 yes. The next pipe I'm going to do is called Nyabzvrudzi, and this one's a little more complicated. This is doing a 3/4 feel, and this one, the pattern, it goes 2 4 2 2 3 2 2 4 1 1 4 2, and it sounds like this. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 yes. The last one I'm going to do is called Piko-Piko. And this one is kind of like the soloist instrument. This is the one that that does the most variations. So the main part to start with, the pattern, it goes 2 4 3 2 3 5 2 4 4 1 2 5. Looking at my other one to cheat. So it sounds like this. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 yes. Now let's hear all those together. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 So that's it. That's the beginning lesson in Nyanga panpipes.